Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. How to do the K-pop idol makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're creating a K-pop idol makeup look by Pei Pei, a bold yet elegant style that enhances the eyes and sculpts the face beautifully. I'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. First, apply a light layer of cushion foundation all over the face. You don't want it to be too warm-toned because we'll be layering other products later. Before setting, use a brightening concealer on the center of the face, especially the forehead, under the eyes, nose bridge, and chin. This helps bring dimension to the face and enhances the overall smoothness. Now, to set everything, take a loose powder and press it into the skin. Make sure to apply enough under the eyes to prevent creasing and keep your base looking flawless all day. Use a thin brow pencil to create hair-like strokes. For the nose, apply contour along the sides of the bridge and blend it inward for a refined shape. Use a detail brush to darken certain areas, especially the nose tip. Don't forget to blend the nose contour into the eye sockets. This creates a seamless transition and makes the eyes look naturally deep set. For the eye makeup, use a darker shade on the outer corners and lower lash line. This will help enlarge the eyes. Then, draw a thin upward eyeliner wing to lift the eyes. Next are lenses. This will make your eyes immediately look bigger and brighter. Use lightweight, wispy false lashes, then apply a thin layer of lash glue along the band and carefully place the lashes close to your lash line. Deepen the lower lash line and add a bit of eyeliner, then we're gonna move on to our blush. Highlight the inner corners of the eyes, nose tip, and nose bridge for a more refined look. Then on the inner corners of the eyes to brighten and finish with a lipstick. And that's it. Now that the makeup is done, let's change outfits and check out the final effect. This K-pop idol look is bold, refined, and perfect for making your features pop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what look you want next. See you in the next video.